Hi everyone, welcome back to Mobile Media, where you learn easy phone tricks, app tutorials, and tech lessons made simple. So in this video, I will show you how to download and install the Google Play Store app on any Android phone step by step. So whether your Play Store is missing, deleted, or not working, this guide will help you reinstall Google Play Store easily. So make sure you watch to the end. So the first step is to check for existing Play Store app. First, check if the Play Store is really missing. So how do you do that? Go to your apps and search for Play Store. Go to your Play Store. So you can see here Play Store, mine is installed. So if you can't find it or it says app not installed, don't worry. I'll show you how to install Play Store manually using a safe method. Step number 2 is to enable unknown sources. Now, before you can install the Play Store app manually, you need to enable installation from unknown sources. So, how do you do that? Now, first of all, you have to have a browser. So, I recommend you using the Chrome browser. So, once you have a Chrome browser on your device, the next thing is to head over to your settings, your device settings. After going to your device settings, search for install install. Now there are three options which you can search for. Either you search for install, search for special app access, or you just go to your apps and from Chrome, then you go to install unknown apps. So install unknown apps, that's what. Now the next thing is for me to go to that Chrome app and allow it to install unknown apps. So I'll move on to that Chrome app to allow it to install unknown apps. So this is the Chrome app right here. So I'm going to allow app install. So if I off it, I won't be able to install any apps from it. So I'm going to leave it on for me to be able to install apps on it. So the next thing now is to go to the Chrome browser and search for apkmirror.com. So search for apkmirror.com and click on the go button. Now this is a trusted site for you to download the Google Play Store app. This is one of the most trusted websites for you to download this Play Store app. So now go to the search box, search Google Play Store. The next thing is to check the latest version that match your Android version. So move on to the apps section here, apps, to click on Google Play Store Android Automotive. So you're going to select the version you need. So from here, select the version you need. But if your version is not here, move on to Google Play Store. Then from here, you can download any version of your choice. Start downloading it. After your download is finished, your Chrome downloads, then you're going to see download. Now make sure it's showing the com.android.vending because that's the official Play Store package. So the next thing now is to install the Google Play Store. So okay, file. I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to wait and tap on the thing and wait for a few seconds, and the app would be installed. So if your Play Store doesn't open or keep crashing, so go to your device settings, then search for apps. Search for apps, then move on to apps. Now, among the apps, since I have my Play Store, and if the Play Store keeps crashing or is not working, I'm going to search for the Play Store app first. So the app is called Google Play Store. So you're going to move letter G, Google Play Store. So this is it here, Google Play Store. And I'm going to click on storage, the storage. So what you do is to clear the cache or clear the data. So you are going to clear this cache, click on clear cache here and click on clear data. These two options, click on them. So also make sure that your Google Play service are updated. So this helps your Play Store run smoothly. So if your Google Play services is not updated, it will make your um Google Play Store to run slowly. So this last step is to update Play Store to the latest version. So if you want to update your Play Store to the latest version, in this same section, you discover that you have to check for updates. So to check for updates, open the Play Store app. That's this Play Store app here. So you can go to the Play Store app, go to the settings, the about section, and check for update. So otherwise, you can just come to this here. So scroll down and move on to app details. Now it's going to open the app for you. So we want to check if you are in the latest version of this Google Play Store app. So move on to this section and check settings. Move on to about. Now this is not the latest version. So if this is not the latest version, if I want to update the latest version, I'll click on update Play Store. So update Play Store, a new version of Google Play Store will be downloaded and installed. So understood. So when a new version comes out, it will automatically download it, or it will send you a notification for you to download it. So and that's it. So that's how to download, install, and update the Google Play Store app on any Android phone. So use this step to download it. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mobile Media for more simple tutorials on Android apps, tech tips, and phone tricks. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.